So I'm definitely not the only one looking forward to Halloween, as you can see by Debbie's makeup tutorial for today. So today she is all inspired by wind, and that is why she created this windy makeup tutorial for us. After sketching out the basics of this makeup on her skin with a pencil liner, a black pencil liner by Mehron, Debbie continues to powder. So these are just regular eyeshadow powders in skin tones, and that is because this is just a skin toned makeup. The shadows need to be in a skin tone as well. So if you have a light skin tone, light brown colors will do best to create these wrinkles with. Once the base of all those shadows are on there, we continue to a light pink color. This is a color by Diamond Effects. It is just the pink, and with this she is creating the gums around her new mouth. And once the light pink is on there, we also add a darker pink. This one is by Superstar. And as always, I will put a link to all the products used in this video in the description box down below. Might you be interested in purchasing one of these colors? Onto the teeth, which obviously are white. And the white that Debbie is using is the white by Superstar. And she is putting this on the skin using a detail brush. At the start of this video, we put those shadows on the skin to create the wrinkles with, and if you put shadows on the skin, you do want a highlight right next to that shadow to create kind of a convincing effect to your wrinkles. And the white that Debbie is using for this is the same white as used for the teeth, only it is put on the skin less opaque than the teeth. We are continuing to the eye. And as you can see, Debbie is using the same white for the eye as used on the teeth and on the wrinkles. A few lovely veins on that eye, and the pink is the same pink as just used on the mouth. So that is the light pink color, and that is the one by Diamond Effects. Now all the basic colors are on the skin. We do need an outline to really make this makeup pop from the skin. So Debbie is creating this outline with a black face paint. This is the Essential Black by Diamond Effects. And we are not only putting that outline on the skin, but also adding some lashes and a bit of black to those wrinkles. And very carefully paint the inside of the mouth black as well. Finally, a bit of pink for the lips that are still Debbie's regular lips. And with that, our windy makeup tutorial for today is done. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel in the link below. Stay tuned on all our videos. Halloween season is coming and we have loads of videos planned for you this year.